scenario using C++ exception, handling, and without repetition to create a Call of Duty tournament. So, yung Call of Duty tournament na to, nagagawa lang siya every fiesta. So, ito yung mga team, apat sila, the CP, USS, BK, and SU. Tapos, sa matchup na to, bawal mag-rematch at saka bawal kalabanin yung sariling team. So, para maging fair yung laban. So, si James naman, siya yung magko-code nito. Isa siyang graduate ng computer engineering. Yung plano naman ni James is to, like in mathematics, James chooses to employ combinations without repetition. For example, if 4 teams are present, ito yung matchup na lalabas niya, the CP versus USS, yan, etc. Tapos yung mga input na to, ito yung mga invalid, yung mga error, lalabas din to mamaya. So, itatry natin siya i-code mamaya. Tapos, ito pa, dapat, bawal din siya mag-duplicate ng name. So, ang kalabasan naman ay, yung tournament ay nag-run naman ng smooth, the way they expected it. The youth club is really impressed and decided they will use it for the next tournament sa susunod na fiesta. So, James feel a sigh of relief and he can feel accomplished. He also learned on how to handle the C++ in solving in real world on scheduling problem. Tsaka ito naman yung mga code na ginamit ko. So, ito try natin siyang i-run. Try natin siyang i-run. Ilabas muna natin yung team name cannot be empty. So, 3. Naglalagay tayo ng 3. Yun. Ay, ito naman pala yung isa, yung there must be at least 4 teams. So, ito try pa natin yung team name cannot be empty. Lalagay natin yung number 4 kasi 4 yung teams. So, pero maglalagay lang tayo ng isang team. O kaya, gawin na nating dalawa. The US. So, yan. Ayun. Team name cannot be empty. So, lalabas yon pag hindi mo nilagay lahat ng team. So, ito try naman natin nilabas yung 4 na team at saka yung schedule niya. So, number 4, 4 teams. Lalagay natin yung mga teams. CP, the USS, and the last one is SU. So, ito yung schedule na lumabas. So, yun lang po, sir. Good day.